Tacos.
I'm sorry, I'm shaking because I'm laughing.
Erin is laughing. Tell everyone why you came up with this.
Well, number one, I can't go outside. They don't let me go to the store. So I didn't have no beef to make tacos. I said, I was gonna use sardines. I said, oh no, I don't like sardines. But I thought, tuna tacos.
Oh, wow, okay. If you are a broke college student like I once was, or if you're just really lazy, you don't want to go to the store, or you just came up on a food drive and all they had was chicken of the sea, you can make this. You just need all of these ingredients. She's gonna show us how to do it. If trolls come for my Nana, I'm physically gonna
better
harm them.
announce. This is our mise en place.
This is guacamole. This is the tuna. You want tuna in water. So you wash your can, you drain it, put it in a bowl. This is avocado slices. The toothpicks that I wrap when I wrap the tortilla. Got your lettuce, your tomato, your cheese.
So she puts the tuna inside and then
I use a toothpick to hold it like a little diaper. Now that the tuna's in there, take it over here to the frying pan.
So we just let these babies fry, flipping them pretty quick.
In the summertime, da 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 da. You can tell she has my genes. We both can't sing.
I hope you didn't get your dry, flaky skin on the taco.
No, I didn't.
Well, if your tacos are extra crunchy.
It's a half a finger.
Ooh, easy.
Be real careful because they will pop sometimes.
We're still frying. Stand by.
Make sure you take your toothpick out
We do not want to eat toothpicks.
so you can open it. There's your tuna right there. Now we're gonna put lettuce. You can put as much as you want. Tomato.
So we're using Roma tomatoes.
Put a little avocado in here.
We're using fresh avocado while my hand is on fire. It's warm. What's the last step?
And cheese.
Oh.
Did you put tomato?
Yes, I did.
Avocado?
Yep.
Go put your cheese in.
Yum. These are so cute. These are some full babies. I just want to eat it now. Does it look appetizing?
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm Erin and hang on.
And
Okay, I'll say hi. I'm Erin and you're okay. What is that?
I don't know. Tick-tock, the game is locked. Nobody can catch me.
We need a taco holder.
Yeah.
Do you think it looks bad?
How about this way?
Yeah, prepping for your own cooking show is a lot of work.